Mamacita, where are you? Mamacita. Girl, what are you doing? What are you doing in the closet?
She's crazy.
What are you doing here?
See, I'm trying to change clothes. I want to wear something.
You trying to do a new wardrobe? What are you doing, girl? Huh?
Hi, Mama Tita.
You can get around in that walker, huh?
And I shut the door and everything, too.
You can get around in there, huh? What is he doing?
Like a frog.
He stood up the other day and peed.
I know. He did one of the other days, too.
Disney World.
Super Mario 3D World.
Oh, Lord. She getting around, y'all. She is on the
She can
move.
go that way, that's why. That's why she's probably mad.
What's it? Mario 3D.
Hey, quit being naked. What's up? What you doing? Do you got stuff you gotta do?
I do. But it's Sunday, so I want to be lazy.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey,
Hi, Mama.
there you go. I didn't show you guys, but here's my new yoga mat. It's so cute.
Go on your head.
Look how cute it is. That's the pattern. Can you see the pattern? It's my new yoga mat. It's thin, but it was only $5. And the ones that were thin at Target were $15. So I was like, bam, I'm gonna get that. And then I also got 5-pound weights. $5, like they should be, how they used to be. You pay $1 a pound. And then I got an action tracker, like an activity tracker to see how much you're walking, your steps and all that. I can't afford a Fitbit right now. Well, when I can though. And that's just clothes and stuff. But yeah, I got the 5-pound. I thought I got something else. No, everything was $5. So it was 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah. Okay, $20. So yeah, I got my stuff, my workout stuff. So happy Sunday, guys. We got to get this house together. We got to record a couple videos, edit some videos. And yeah, that's it. Oh, Mike's got to go grocery shopping today.
I gotta go.
Yes.
Why I gotta go?
Because I went last time.
What'd you do last time? No, you didn't.
Whatever. You got to go grocery shopping. I need to do some stuff around the house. I'm very hungry.
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah.
Oh, we really have chips.
You hungry too? Daddy's gonna go get us some food.
No.
Yeah, and you. That's right. That's gonna stop from now on. I don't get to go out of the house without the kids all the time. You're not gonna get to go out of the house without the kids all the time. Okay? Okay?
Oh, just make it more difficult for me then.
So, yeah, I sucked on my diet yesterday, y'all. Disney World, just know if you're going to an amusement park, you ain't about to be living right. So, yeah. About to do that.
You ain't about to eat no Triscuits and stuff.
No, you're not. Triscuits, where the hell did that come from? I don't know. Triscuits. Maybe Wheat Thins. That's what I'm thinking about. But choice. But yeah, I got to get some stuff done and start some laundry. We got to do a lot of stuff today. Hey. Don't mind my hair, y'all. I know I'm like all made up and it's late, but I got some videos to record because last week trying to record and edit and post on the same day wasn't for me. But I do need to also prep some meals, so I need to do that. My son is still up. He needs to go to sleep. I did my nails. My hubby bubby over there. Working day and night. I washed the laundry, y'all.
Don't let it lie to you.
So he just folding the towels and putting it away. That boy is still awake. Gigi is asleep. And I'm gonna prep some of my food. Get some brown rice, some olive oil. I got some jalapenos, some corn. Did you get my black beans? I got some. You didn't have to get 2 things of black beans. That's how much we had left?
Yeah.
I got my black. Oh, no. My nails dry. Calm down. So, yeah, I'm about to prep some food. Got my chicken. Let me put the oven on. And then I'm going to record at least 2 videos that I know of. And it'll probably be a late night. But oh well. So, yeah, I ain't doing nothing else. We really didn't do anything today. I went to Dollar Tree and got some stuff for the house. Other than that, we just chilled out. Mike played video games pretty much most of the day.
I actually did not. I played a few games. I played for maybe like 2 hours. That wasn't...
He be making it seem like it's nothing, though.
It's not. It's not nothing. Especially when the game crashes every 5 minutes. 2 hours ain't nothing.
If you say so.
It's not. How long it take you to get ready? How long it take you to do a video? To put all that makeup on?
It takes a while.
Okay, then. Not enough
But
time
you
in
ain't
the world,
doing the video.
Right?
I'm over him today. But
They're almost done.
yeah, anyways, we ain't doing nothing. My phone is my arm is shaking. So London. Can you say hi? Can you say happy Monday? Happy Monday. I'm trying to stand up now. And look what I can do. Where you gonna go, girl? Where you gonna go? You trying to do the most. Sit down, Chad. She just wants to stand all freaking day. Yes, please sit down.
One is the speech. It's the speech and say with him and the faster center and faster center and make it faster and they fight him and the fire mayo and like the fibers and the reason mayo. Let's it's just about my arm. Let's go to one.
Where are you going?
Coming.
I'm gonna come with you. I'll be there in a second, okay? I'll be right there, okay? I'm coming. Let Daddy talk to Mommy real quick, okay? I'll come in right now.
Let Daddy put them clothes up that's on the dresser over there.
No. Don't want to do it.
Lazy bones. You got to want to see a sack of lazy bones?
Right here. 143 pounds worth.
I haven't vlogged much today. I've been very tired. Oh, very, very, very tired. What about you, Holmes? How was your day?
I'm wide awake.
Yeah, lazy bones.
Today was garbage because it's Monday, but luckily I don't have to work tomorrow.
Unluckily for me.
Yeah. Not good for me.
You're a mess. You're a mess. I recorded 2 videos today.
Did you?
I sure did.
I need to.
Without you, I was very productive.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
I need to record a video or edit or do something.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
We're here to see 4th of July fireworks. Right, Logan? You ready to see the fireworks?
No.
No. Okay. What about you, Daddy?
Rude.
You ready to see the fireworks, Daddy?
Sure, why not? They're fireworks. I haven't seen fireworks in a long time.
And we got somebody else with us today. We got her. Yeah, you guys see fireworks too, girl.